Hello, this is Volker from the Gearhead Depot, and today I want to introduce you to my shoplift, the 4-post launch lift, where most of the conversion from the Money Eater to the C10 will go on. But at first, let's roll the intro. So this is the launch shoplift 4-post with a lifting capability of 4,000 kilos, which is 4 tons. It is equipped with a separate air-operated jack, which is movable from front all the way to the back. And the whole lift goes with a hydraulic system and air-operated safety locks. The hydraulic system consists of 4 gallons hydraulic fluid and the pump, and the locking mechanism is worked by air. So let me show you how this works. The lift works up, and when you hear the clicking noise, this one, it is the first step of the locks. And when you lower it down without the release, you just hang it in the locks like this. And when you lift it up a bit and pull the lock, which is operated by air, you can lower it all the way down again. This is for safety reasons, so that nothing gets stuck under and you have both hands on the lift operating and can't get it in between things. So now it's all the way down. The air part is operated by my new shop compressor, a 2-cylinder one with 60 liters of air in the tank. It is a bit small because when you operate the air jack, it kicks in almost every time. So you see this. Now you hear the compressor kicking in and filling up the air because it's all lost in this one operation. Lowering down is easy. And now we wait a few seconds till the compressor works and has filled up the tank. So we had to wait a few seconds until the compressor is done filling up the air tank. And now we can go on with the next part, and that is lifting my Tahoe up in the air on this lift. Okay folks, this is the Tahoe on the lift. As you've seen, it's a little bit fumbly because the Tahoe is almost as wide as the tracks are. And now, next thing, I'll lift it up in the air. And we have to be careful because we don't have too much height on the ceiling, but I think we'll let it go. So just let it hook up in the safety clamps so we can securely work on it. I think we gotta install a last safety switch which is taking care of the ceiling height so nobody goes through the roof on this. And now I can work on the underside of the truck. So I hope you enjoyed my tour of the new lift and lifting up the Tahoe in the air. Next vehicle to be lifted is the truck for the conversion. And as every time, if you have any questions, please leave a comment in the section below. Leave a like or subscribe to my channel. If you haven't, please consider doing so. Have a nice day. Till next time.